ever decide to write like this but the paper is expensive? So here's the hack. All you need is scissors, paper punch, colored loose leaf, and A4 paper. Okay, first we're going to this website called grizzly.com, and then you can see there are two buttons in there. So the first button to customize the size of your pattern, and the second button to customize the color of your pattern, so it can be darker or lighter. By the way, I cut my A4 paper in half, so it becomes A5 paper. Okay, and I just click print, and I customize the margin, the paper size on my printer, and then yeah, that's all. This is the final look of the printed paper. I choose the dot paper. I think it's pretty good and it's really easy to make, and it saves up your money. So I think that's all pretty good things. And then I make holes. So all you need is just clip your paper, your printed paper to loose leaf that already has a paper on it, I mean the holes on it, and then you just punch the paper, and then voila, you get that hole. I think that's it for today. See ya on my next video.